today we are going to deep condition this. It's not a catastrophe, but it's starting to itch. And you can see it's dry. See that? That's dry. So, we're going to start with we need 2 ingredients. We need our whole milk plain yogurt. Make sure it's plain. You want it to be plain because you don't want it to have any, additives for flavoring. And then we are going to use eggs. Okay, so this is a very simple 2-step, kind of thing. All right. So first things first. My yogurt's not bad. I let it sit out for a little minute because I didn't want to be super duper cold in my hair. Because that shit does not feel good. Okay, so first I'm going to crack my egg, and I'm cracking it on this thingy. And you don't want to use all of your egg. So you want to crack it in the middle. Scoot this over. Crack it in the middle, but then play with it a little bit because you just want the yolk, which is, show y'all. You just want to throw out. So I'm going to throw it in this bag. I know it has a little yolk in it, but I'm using another egg, so that doesn't matter. And try and crack it where it's not like, like a straight line. Oh, I just dropped this egg. But, okay, so I just dropped an egg, so I got 2 bowls, so I can do it over this one and then put it in this one. And I just need 1 more egg. Because I ain't trying to waste eggs. That's food, homie. You feel me? Okay. Got this cracked. You can't really see what I'm doing. But I can't scoot it over because, my hands are dirty. And, yeah. But you see how I did the first one? Do this in the same exact way. So you want to just be left with yolk. And watch this. It's just yolk. Boom. Because that's where all the nutrients is. That, other stuff is basically just to hold, it's plasma, plasma's rich too, but you don't really want this part. You want this part. Which you see I have a lot now. Oh, dripping everywhere. Came through dripping. Drip, drip. Okay, let me rinse my hands. Take a hefty amount. I don't know how many. Probably 3 spoonfuls. Just so it's thick enough. You don't want it to be super duper thick, but you don't want it to be thin either. And I'm going to show y'all what I mean. Alright, so this is, I can't really tilt it too much. Let's see. Boom. Okay. Ready? Okay. Now we're going to take this and whip it on up. Whip, 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 whip. Whipping it, whipping it. 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 Whip, whip. Can I add 1 more? Because I want it to be a little bit thick. And I'm adding dollops, not spoonfuls. I'm adding, pretty nice size. Which is, that. That much. About that much. I'm adding. Okay. Alright, and then this is the finished product. Okay, I see that consistency. It's not thick, but it's not runny it would just be like a yolk, Alright, so then I literally just put that in my hair. I need another bag. Alright. And I'm about to put this on this dry ass hair. What I'm gonna do with the spoon is put it in that other bowl with the other stuff in it. I'm gonna mix it around a little bit more. Okay. So I'm about to section my hair off.
Because you don't want to leave out, hair. You want to make sure you kind of get all the sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section it off. Section it off, and then I'm going to apply it so I know where my section just taking 2 strands and literally going around in a circle with them. So I don't like braiding. I feel like braiding, especially when your hair's dry, it just damages your hair more. So I'm not going to braid my hair because it's really dry. Like, it don't look dry, but it's really dry, especially on the ends. Okay. Ooh, the knots. The knots. The knots. Okay. Attention to any certain area, you know, take special precautions because I feel like I do equal damage to all of my hair, so. But I do want to try to section it off evenly. So that way. I'm putting it in a belt. Fuck, that hurt. Ooh. I thought my hair was really dry over here. Damn. God damn. Well, that one came down, so. Let's try it again. Fuck. Okay, time to always again. Can't do dripping. Can't do dripping. Can't do dripping.
What's on my wrist? Stay dripping. Ice. Oh, I want to tell y'all a story. So, Saturday I got my car fixed, right? I got it fixed. Paid some money to get it fixed, of course. It wasn't free. Okay, and then come Sunday, okay, so I literally was not about to come out the house, y'all. Like, I literally was like, I'm about to be in the house all day. Damn dog hair. I'm about to be in the house all day. Yeah, I'm about to be in the house all day. You know. But fuck no, so I'm about to go get me some food. Or at least just get out the house, because it's a pretty day too. So I want to get out the house. Tell me why. The first place I went, when I went out the house, I almost got into an accident. And if you live in Clarksville, you're from Clarksville, you know how people drive in Clarksville. Sometimes they just don't pay attention to other drivers. Like, they just drive. So I was pulling, like, in a median, coming out of Sonic. So I'm coming out the driveway, turning left into the median. As I'm doing this, I see this lady pulling in the median as well. So I'm like, okay, she's going to slow down. She's not going to come, like, you know, up on me or collide with me. You know, she sees me, so she's going to slow down. You know, as soon as she get in the median, she's going to stop. She's not going to keep going. Who? This woman didn't give a fuck who she saw. She literally came in the median and was coming towards me. And I had my dogs in the car, y'all. Like, we literally I was just going out to, you know, get them out the house and get out the house or whatever. Tell me why she almost collided with us. So I was like, let me stop my car. So I stopped my car. And as I stopped my car, I don't know what I did. I think I knocked it in neutral or whatever. It did not go after that. Like, my car would come on, it would rev up, but it would not go. So I'm like, what the fuck done happened? Because I just got my car fixed yesterday. You know, the day before. I got my car fixed Saturday. This happened Sunday. So I'm like, I just got my car fixed. What could it possibly be, you know? So, of course, the first thing I do is, well, somebody help me get out the median at first. Okay, yeah, I'm starting at my ends too. Start your ends. Make sure you get them ends good. So, somebody helped me get out the median. And, I pulled into this parking lot. And when I did that, I called my mechanic because I'm like, I just got my car fixed yesterday. So let me call him and see what's going on, you know? And I call him and he's like, it's not that major. You probably just, you know, something in your transmission or something like that. It's not much. And then I called my mama because I'm like, Mama, my freaking car is messed up. And I got stuff I gotta do. What should I do? And she was like, don't worry. It's probably not that major, especially if you just got it fixed yesterday. She says probably just, you know, like a screw or something that came out and caused the transmission fluid to come out. Because my car was coming on. It just wouldn't, you know, switching gears. Well, it was switching gears, but it wouldn't go in the gear. So she was like, it's probably just something with your transmission. Like, it's not your transmission's messed up. It's probably something with your transmission fluid. So I'm like, okay, cool. So let me not freak out too much. But I had to get a tow truck. My mechanic don't have a tow truck. So I had to pay for a tow truck. And I had my dogs in the car, but that worked out. Luckily, it worked out. And then, okay, so I let my car sit, and I come back the next day. My car's fixed. It was just my axle. My axle came out of my car, which caused my transmission fluid to come out. Cause like the part, you know, like your car has, like a part may go to 3 different cars. It may not go, and I'm talking about makes and models, not just like the make, or you know what I mean. It goes to like 3 different cars. So they explained it to me like what my part was. It was for my car, but it could have been for other cars, and it don't fit like very accurately. Look at that. Versus this dry shit. Okay. But yeah, so I'm like, okay, cool. Let me find out. Let me find out that this. And I was like, will it happen again? He told me no, it should not happen again. So my car's been riding pretty good since then. Pretty good. And I'm excited because I got a good car. Like it's hard to find a car that's reliable and you know exactly what's wrong with it. Cars are a lot. Like they're a headache, man. But I'm glad I got that one car, and it's a Honda, so it's good on gas, and it's the parts not expensive. I'm just like, what's up? I'm glad God looking out for your girl. He watching over your girl. And the reason, okay, now back to what I'm doing. So the reason why I went, from here back to the top, because I got enough down here. I don't want to drench it. I just want it to be in my hair. And I'm going to work it by twisting my hair. I'm not going to comb my hair because my hair's already shedding. So if I go and finger rake it or anything, or, anything that will, what's it called? I can't think of the word. Anything that will break off your hair, I'm not trying to do. So I just want to do gentle little strokes. Gentle little strokes. Like this. Work it in there. And as y'all can see, my ends is already starting to get moisturized. See? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to plait this back up. But I'm going to be gentle with my ends. I'm not going to rip it apart, because it's going to break off my hair. So I got to be very gentle with my hair. Especially right now because it's dry, but I'm putting this stuff on it, so it's still dry. So it can break off easily. Just like a dry piece of grass. If it's not moisturized and you go over there and you pluck it, it's probably going to come off because it ain't moisturized. Y'all see my edges growing back? Look at that. Look at that. I just got to get this part to go back right here. Right here. But it's growing because I'm putting some good stuff in it. I'm putting some food in my hair. My hair eating. What's your hair doing? And yeah, I'm getting this. This is not a clean job. Like, this is very messy. That's why I had to get off my carpet, because if I do this on my carpet, I'd have been pissed. Like, beyond pissed. So I wanted to relieve that. And of course, the front of your hair is going to be a little bit more easier to work with, because that's, well, for me, I know that's where I work with my hair at the most. So it's not going to be as dry as the back, because I put more products on the front of my hair. Well, not more products, but like I pay attention. I can see this part better. Just gonna work that through. Somebody calling me, but they gonna have to wait because I can't answer the phone. I'm busy. I want to make sure I get all the way to my ends. And you can tell by the color it's going all to the ends. Look at that. I don't like to pull my hair, but if I can see that there's dead hair, then I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, remove it. But don't do that too much, because I notice when I do that, my hair sheds a lot more. Because I'm pulling, you know, my hair, so I'm pulling new hair, which I need. So, don't do that.
You can tell by these three, they're definitely moisturized versus this one. Look at that. Really, really. That bounce back. See that? Okay, and I'm definitely, I don't measure my stuff now because I've been doing it for a while, so I barely have any. Well, there's some of it. But I need all that too. But, see my hands. Alright. So see, I don't barely have any left. So I'm just going to take it, put it in my hand, put it together in my hair. That damn box right there, you. Okay, box. You want to be a part of it? Well, come on then, be a part of my video. Yeah, that sounds fancy. Yeah, that's okay. Right here. And that's just it coming out naturally. Like, my hair be shedding so much. Not like shedding bad, but because you know your hair, it basically there's new particles that come in every day. So the longer your hair is, the more it's gonna shed. Because like all this dead hair at the end gets to go. So it pushes it out. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm just guessing that's how your hair works. Don't quote me on that. Don't be like, you know, she said so fine. In her fine remedies, she said that your hair pushes out your old hair, or your new hair pushes out your old hair. Don't quote me on that. Alright, so I don't think that this has as much on the inside. So I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bow and go boom, boom, and work that in there. Because I didn't feel like that had as much as the other ones did at the end. But now it does. Okay, I'm going to apply this. But I'm getting this everywhere. I thought it was someone I was just painting right there. But I thought that was from this. That's what, go back through and make sure my ends are good. Because that's mainly, I mean, your roots are important, but at the end of the day, your ends are what go through the most. Like, you know, you combing it, you brushing it, you temporarily pulling it, you know, so make sure you show love to the ends of your hair. Don't forget about the ends, baby. I'm not talking about the edges, because these are important too, but I'm talking about the ends. Your hair ends, not edges ends. Okay, so got the hair. Alrighty, we got that. Baby.
One of the most important things is to wrap your hair up in a bag. So I put mine, well, it's something plastic, so it can be a cap. It don't have to be a bag, but I'm putting mine in a bag, because I don't got no hair cap. I ain't about to go buy no hair cap. And I'm not going to put my mouth on that, because it may have egg on it, and I ain't trying to get salmonella poisoning. So I'm just going to use my fingers.
Boom! Now wait 15 minutes, 15 minutes, and then remove it. So this is the finished product. You can see my curls are more defined. They're not as poofy. Just gotta wash these ends.